Okay, so in this video, I'm going to test the limits of my nerves and my skills as well. Because today, I'll be trading a binary options with just 15 or 30 seconds expirations. I'm starting with only $1. And my goal is to grow this tiny deposit from the scratch using my strategy and cool hat. So for me, this is a true challenge. And I don't know how it will end. Maybe I will lose everything in just a couple of minutes. Or maybe this single dollar will turn into something much more bigger. There are no safety nets here, no retries, and no time for hesitation. I'll show you the entire process, from entering the trades to every win and maybe loss. So get comfortable because you're about to witness what happens when trader goes all in. So this isn't just trading, this is a survival mode. It's all or nothing. So my name is Lisa, girl in trading, and let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option account. Today I'm really excited, but at the same time a little bit scared. So guys, first we go here, we change our chart types to Heiken Ashi and time frames to S10. That means each Heiken Ashi lasts 10 seconds. Then we choose the indicators Bollinger Bands. And to Bollinger Bands, we change the period to 20 and deviation to 2. And we click Save. After this, we go to the indicators again, choose the alligator. And we don't change anything in the periods and in the colors as well. We just leave it like that. And also we need the RSI indicator, of course, because we're gonna trade on the short time of the expiration, so we definitely need it. So I explained you actually a lot already in alligator indicator and Bollinger Bands and RSI, but of course I'm gonna explain it to you more in every situation. So when we see that all of the lines of alligator is crossing each other, there is no distance between them, that means probably a flat, the absence of the trend, so it's better not to open a trade there. But if the three lines of alligator start moving in the same direction, for example upward or downward, and there is a distance between them, then we can open a trade. But I will show you everything in more details on the real examples. So let's change our time of the expiration to 15 seconds, and we open here a sell trade for $1. Okay, that's not really that good. Okay, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus. As you can see, three lines of alligator moving downward in the same direction. There's a distance between them. The line of RSI also moving downward to the 30%, the oversold zone. So that's why we opened here a trade down, and also our price already crossed the lower line of the Bollinger Band, showing us how strong downward trend is right now. So okay, we closed our first trade, guys. So it was kind of also stressful and riskful, and actually like in all of the trades, especially with 15 seconds, you know, even though like I'm already okay with increasing my balance from $1, but I usually do it with like 2 or 3 minutes, but now we're doing it with 15 seconds, and I'm really scary and excited at the same time to see if we can do this result. So we change our amount of money per trade. What do you think, guys? What kind of trade we will open here? Of course, a buy trade. So here we see that the last 4 Heiken Ashi is green. First of all, it's a new one up here as well, because the time frame of them, oh my god, it's 1 second, and okay, we just saved our money. Oh my god, I can't even realize like that fast what is going on, and it's already closed. That's crazy, and we don't even have that much time to analyze everything. So this is the big disadvantage of the fast trades, and that's why I recommend to all of the beginners to trade with at least 2-3 minutes per trade, because with 15 seconds you will not analyze everything that quickly. And me personally, in the real life, I never trade with 15 or 30 seconds. Of course I can, but it's not my favorite thing to do actually. So now we're looking for a new currency pair where we can open a trade. As you can see with Heiken Ashi, all the charts is looking really good. Like you see that, oh, okay, it's the upward trend, downward trend, like everything looks really clean. But I will explain you also about the Heiken Ashi more right now, why it looks like this, and also advantages and disadvantages of Heiken Ashi. So we are still looking for the charts. Okay, here it's pretty good situation. So we open here a sell trade for 15 seconds. 3 lines of alligator moving downward in the same direction. There's a distance between them. It means like the alligator is eating right now and opening his mouth because there's the jaws, teeth, and lips. So yeah, we close it straight in the plus. Okay, guys, perfect. And the RSI, we can see also that the line of the RSI in the oversold zone right now. And our price already crossed the lower line of the Bollinger Band, so it's good for us. So here, let's change the time of the expiration to 30 seconds, and we're gonna open here a sell trade because here we can see that the distance between support and resistance level is not that much, so it's better to take more time here for the corrective candles and everything for some kind of the fluctuation. So we will definitely close it straight in a plus. And yeah, as you can see now, it's great. And if we would open it in for 15 seconds, we would probably not gonna close it. So it's 3 seconds, 2, 1, and boom, we confidently close the straight and the plus as well. So now let's find another situation. So guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking, oh, it's really interesting, but so crazy and so difficult, I would never do it by myself. I have a solution, guys, for you. And if to be more clear, it's my Telegram channel with absolutely, yes, you heard that right, absolutely free signals on pocket option. No, it's not a clickbait, it's not the ads or something. Guys, for those who knows me for a long time, knows that I don't take any money from my subscribers for all of this time that I'm doing my community, for my VIP Club signals, or for my VIP Club in just general. You trade with me absolutely free. You are in my team. You just follow my signals. And for this, you don't need to have a few years of experience in trading. You just literally click on 2 buttons, buy and sell, and that's it. I also have an educational channel for all of the beginners to understand how to follow my signals. What is the money management system? What is the catch up? So guys, go to the Telegram channel right now, check it out. You can also see a feedback of all of my subscribers there, and we continue trading. So okay guys, let's find some other asset where we can open a trade. So what is a Heiken Ashi? So Heiken Ashi is a type of the candlestick chart that smooth out price action to make it easier to identify trends. Unlike regular Japanese candlestick that we always use, Heiken Ashi candles are calculated using formulas that average price data, resulting in a cleaner and more trend focused chart. So here we change to 15 seconds and open a buy trade, and it jumps up so low really quick. Oh my god, 30 seconds, 2, 1, we close the trade. Oh my god, that was such a big lagging. Oh my god, but we did it, guys. Oof. Okay, I don't even want to know how it all happened, but thank God we closed it. We didn't lose all of our deposit, everything that we have. So now we're looking for another one. So that's why it looks like that perfect, just the green candles or just the red candles. So it looks like, wow, it's such a good upward or downward trend. And for example, if we change it to the normal candlestick, the Japanese one, it looks really messy sometimes. So here, let's open a sell trade for 15 seconds for $10.47, if to be more clear. So here we can see by the alligator, it's a sell signal, by the RSI, it's a sell signal, by the Bollinger Band, we still have some distance till the, yes, we close the trade. So yeah, we still had some distance till the support level. So that's how it shows us that we still can open a sell trade here. And that's what we did. So now we have $20, guys. Okay, not that bad. So let's find something else. So how to use Heiken Ashi in binary options. So for binary options, especially trend following, Heiken Ashi can be a powerful confirmation tool. So what is the key signals? First of all, a series of green candles with no lower wicks is a strong uptrend, and a series of red candles with no upper wicks is a strong downtrend. And a small bodied candles with wicks on both ends is potential reversal or consolidation. And here, guys, we open a sell trade for 15 seconds. So it's kind of the same situation as we had before already. As you can see, the distance between support and resistance levels is not that much, but the RSI line is moving downwards. Yeah, we close the trade. It's almost in the oversold zone. The lines of alligator is moving a little bit downwards, but it's still not that strong signal from the alligator here, so we mostly look at the Bollinger Bands and RSI as well, because RSI is really sensitive indicator that's really good for scalping for this kind of short-term trades, and that's what we did. And the alligator is mostly using for long-term trades, for example 10 minutes, 15 minutes, to confirm the trend. And here, guys, we open a buy trade for 15 seconds. As we can see there's a long wicks on the red candles before, so it could mean that the sellers were just trying to break this level, but they couldn't, and that's why it's the upward trend here started. So yeah, we close the trade as well. It's so unusual that we close the trade that fastly. Okay, so now we are gonna find some other situation where we can open a trade. As you can see, right, when you look at the Heiken Ashi, all of the charts look so nice actually, because it's just not giving you that much noise as the Japanese candles, so that's why. But I actually recommend you to use the Heiken Ashi as the confirmation of the trend, because it reduces any noise of the chart, but trading on the candlestick anyway, that's what I do as well. So here we change the time to 30 seconds and open a buy trade. Let's wait. As you can see, here was some lateral movement before. It was just a flat, literally the absence of any trend. It was just going straight, literally. But before, it was a downward trend for just 5 candles, then lateral movement, and now it started reversing in the upward direction. We can see it by the RSI line also that moving in the upward direction, and almost crossed the overbought zone. 3 lines of alligator also moving upward in the same direction, and there is still distance till the upper line of Bollinger Bands, and we closed this trade, guys, and we already have $142. This was so fast actually. Okay, so now everything will be so much faster actually when we have already more than $100 on the balance. So here, for example, we can open a sell trade because we can see it looks like the start of the reversal. We still didn't get that much signal from the alligator though, so let's wait a little bit for more candles to confirm the start of the reversal. And boom, we opened here a sell trade for 30 seconds as well, because it still can fluctuate a lot, so it's better just to, you know, to add more time, and that's how we will definitely close it. So we can see that before it was the upper trend, it achieved the upper line of Bollinger Bands, our resistance level, and start moving in the downward direction. And it's still, it's still a lot time till the support level. I don't like it at all. It's so close to our entry point. It's 1 second. Oh my god, we just saved our money again it happened. I hate it absolutely. Oh my god, that's why I don't like to trade on this kind of the trades with 15 seconds. Even 30 seconds was not enough here. It's crazy. Oof, but thank god we didn't lose it. Oof. Okay, interesting. Let's find something else instead. Okay, here we open the buy trade for 30 seconds. It's not that bad here, so we can see it was the downward trend before, pretty strong one. Hello, that's I like it. Now the 3 lines of alligator just start reversing in the upward direction. The line of RSI start moving also higher and higher. It's almost in the level 70 percentage overbought zone, and it's still the distance till the upper line of Bollinger Bands, our previous resistance levels. So we close this trade, guys. Okay, perfect. I'm so happy actually, because after the previous trade when we just saved our money and we were like this close to lose all of this, I'm really happy about this. So let's find something else. Guys. This video should have I don't know, 1 million views at least for all of my nerves that I lost today. So here we open, guys, a sell trade for 30 seconds as well. Let's trade with 30 seconds, please. Be patient a little bit. So here we can see that 3 lines of alligator moving downward in the same direction. It just started after some upward correction. We can see for 5 candles, right? Also, there is still distance till the lower line of the Bollinger Bands. Okay. It's fluctuating so much. It's 3 seconds, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay, we closed it. Oh my god, that was so close. And just last second we were not in the profit. We can see some green candle appear in the chart. Ooh, I can't talk. I don't even want to talk and analyze anything. Absolutely. So this is crazy. for someone that's saying, oh, the binary options is so riskful and everything. Of course, if you trade with 15 or 30 seconds, but guys, I'm always telling you, please trade with 2 minutes, 3 minutes at least. And so here we open a sell trade, guys, of course, and I hope you also voted for this option. We can see that the line of RSI is moving downward. It's almost in the oversold zone at level 30. Boom, we close it. 3 lines of alligator also moving downward in the same direction. We already have $1,000, guys. It's so great. So let's change to $500 per trade. So that's how we just have some extra money on our balance in case of something, because I'm I'm done already of nervousing that much. So that's how we have at least 2 chances to close the trades and recover our money in case of something. So let's find something else. Also, it's really good to enter trades with the trend when you see 2 or 3 consecutive candles in the same direction. Also combine it with indicators like RSI, Bollinger Band, support and resistance levels, or trend lines for stronger signals. So also, what is the advantages of Heiken Ashi? First of all, it smooths the chart, so it reduces market noise and false signals, especially on lower time frames. Also, clear trend identification, visually easy to see the direction of the market. Also, it's great as a trend filter, so it helps avoid entering trades against the momentum, and it works on any asset or time frame from M1 scalping to 4 hours swing trading. Let's wait, and we opened here a sell trade for 30 seconds. As we can see, it was the upper trend for a long time before it achieved this new resistance level to create a new one. It started going in the lower direction already for 4 candles. We can see that the RSI line was above the overbought zone before, the level 70, and now is already out of the oversold zone and going lower and lower and lower. Okay, let's do a double up here. Let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy. We just got a profit of 1 trade. Okay, the other one we lost. So here, let's open a sell trade for 15 seconds. I just already don't have any comments, guys. No way. No way. 4 seconds. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Fine, we close it. Okay, guys, I just want to finish this video already. It's so crazy. Oh my god. Okay, let's change some currency pair and find something else instead. So here, for example, here, let's open a sell trade for $700 for 15 seconds. Okay, just half of the amount, so in case of something, we can do a catch up. So here we can see the line of RSI is moving downward. It was almost on the oversold zone before, and now it's going really great, thank god. Okay, we close this trade in a plus, guys. So let's change our amount of money to 1,000. You may think that I do decisions like really fast, and how is it possible? But guys, believe me, I just want to finish this video and don't trade with 15 seconds after this for, I don't know, for a year at least, for the next video, you know. So for me, it's really stressful actually, guys, because it's really big money. It's like 1K per trade for just 15 seconds. So let's open a buy trade here for 15 seconds. I don't want to look actually on it anymore. Oh my god. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not that bad right now. It's not that bad. So let's find another situation on the chart. And what is the disadvantages of 50 to 30 seconds trades on binary options? First of all, it's extremely high risk, of course. So these trades are heavily influenced by random short-term noise, which means even perfect analysis can fail here. Also, it requires a fast reaction, so you need to act quickly and precisely. It's no time for hesitation or second guessing. Also, one of the disadvantages of this kind of the short trades, it's emotional pressure. So the fast pace can easily lead to over trading, reverse trading, or impulsive decisions. So guys, let's open a sell trade here for 50 seconds, and I will do a rollover as well because we have a choice to do it here, and I will, because why not? And I don't really like it already. Oh my god, no way. No way, 1 second. Ooh, guys, it's all so crazy. It's so crazy. So guys, here let's open a buy trade for 15 seconds. We can see the line of RSI start moving a little bit upwards to the overbought zone, and it's going pretty well right now. It's 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We close the trade as well. Ooh. It's so crazy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Text me your feedback, your reactions in the comments. I will appreciate this a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because while I was doing all of this, guys, I'm waiting for your feedback and activity. And I will see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.